I had something a little more detailed planned for today. Something urgent came up that took most of the day, so I still wanted to deliver something. So here's a cool little way of creating a fun graphic for your blogs. So this is similar to the video I did the other day about creating the thumbnails for your videos, except this is blog graphics. So when you do a blog and you have or an article, you have a series of them on your website listed together. It's nice if they're all consistent and if they include the title and they're a bit fun. So I've just used these as an example here, and I'll show you it here in Canva. So again, this is using Canva. And you might think that something like this looks quite cool because there's no background to this photo of me. I've matched it to my brand, the colors, and we've got this background with something fun on it. I think it's watermelons, and we've also got my logo here. But this actually only took about 10 minutes for me to do. And then now that I've got the template, the next one will probably only take about 3 or 4 minutes. So definitely worth doing, and it makes your articles look more professional, and they can be fun too. So let's start from scratch here, and I'll show you how I created this. So in Canva, I went File, Create, New Design, and then I searched for blog, and I'm going to use the blog banner. It's a nice aspect ratio like that. So now we're going to have just a blank banner now. There we go. So now we've got the blank banner. Just wait for this to load up. So now we're going to look to start with just a fun background to use. So there's lots and lots of fun things to choose from, and what's neat is when you do select it. So here's the one that I used, and it's in yellow, and you can simply go in and change it to whatever color that you want. That's your brand, and it just magically changes the shading and everything to match your color. So there's our training tool blue there, and you can create your own color in here or use your color code for your exact brand color. So now we've got the background, and now we want to use an image. So I'm going to grab the image of me from my uploads folder, or you can just upload a new image, and I'm going to use this one here. So let's put that over here, and then I'm going to put that down there like that in the left hand corner. Drag it up so it's a bit bigger. And then I'm going to use this very cool tool in Canva. And this you can only get if you're on one of the paid plans, I think. And it's called Background Remover. So I select the image that I just moved over there, Effects, Background Remover. And this does this magical thing where it removes the background of this image. Something you'd think you'd need a clever person or a graphic designer to help you with, but you don't with Canva. So, yep, it does a really good job of that. It's not perfect, but in terms of what we're doing here, it looks pretty awesome. So I want to make that a bit bigger like that. And then I'm going to go text. Actually, first I'm going to go elements, because I'm going to have a different colored background for my text. So this here is just these shapes. So I'm going to use the square shape here, and then I'm going to shape it for a piece of text. Just drag that up there. And then I'm going to change the background color of this, again, just up here. I'm going to make this black. And I'm going to make 2 of those, because I'm going to have 2 pieces of text. Like that. And then I'm going to go to text, And I'm going to click here to add a heading. And then I'm just going to put here caps lock what. Drag that over here like this. I'm just going to shape that box so it fits nicely. I'm going to copy that and I'm going to paste it just so it's all the same size. Like that. Then I've got that nice, just might move that up a little bit there, closer. Like that. There again, you can see that purple line there that locks them together. And then I might just put my logo on it as well. So I'm going to go to uploads again, folders, and I've got my logo stored in the special logo folder here. And for this background, I'm going to use the Training Talk badge that's got a white background. And I'll put that up over here in the right hand corner, but I don't want it to be really prominent there like that. So I'm going to change the transparency so it just fades away and it's more like a watermark. There we go. And then that's it. So now I can save that and use it as a template for my next blog, where I can just swap out the image and the text there, and then I can just download it. I'll download it as a JPEG because it's a nice small file type for the web. And then I will go and when I do my next article here, I'll use that image. So there you go. Quick tip on making cool, professional but fun images for your blogs or your articles. All right, thanks, and I will talk to you again tomorrow.